In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano on Adobe Firefly. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a curious beginner, you'll find these quick steps easy to follow as we explore this fascinating tool. To start, you need to head over to your web browser and go to Google. This is the gateway to accessing Adobe Firefly, so let's open it up and get started. Once you're on Google's homepage, you're going to want to type in Adobe Firefly in the search bar. This will help you find the official Adobe Firefly website quickly. Remember, if you're like me and have that search bar filled with tons of previous queries, don't worry. Type away and hit enter. Now, you should see a list of search results. What you're looking for is the official Adobe Firefly website. Generally, it should be one of the first results, likely titled Adobe Firefly, Adobe. When you spot it, go ahead and click on the link. This will take you directly to the main landing page of Adobe Firefly. You've done great so far. Now, on the Adobe Firefly webpage, you should see an option or button that reads Go to Firefly. Click on that, and it'll direct you inside the platform where all the magic happens. At this point, you're ready to make your prompt. This is where your creativity can really shine. For the sake of this tutorial, let's use a sample prompt, a serene, hyper-realistic fantasy of a girl gracefully reaching upward inside a crystal-clear water droplet rising from a calm blue ocean, glowing with light, wonder, and tranquility. This exquisite and detailed description will guide Adobe Firefly to create a breathtaking visual. After entering your prompt, look for the option that says Model and click on it. This step is crucial because it determines the form and style of the image that will be generated based on your prompt. Once you've clicked on the model, you're closer to completion. Now, here comes the fun part. You will see an option or a submenu with various selections. Look for one called Nano and select it. This selects the specific algorithm or model that Adobe Firefly will use to interpret and render your image. Finally, you're ready to bring your vision to life. Click on the Generate icon. This kicks off the rendering process, and in just moments, you'll see your prompt transformed into a vibrant, fully realized image. And that's it. You've successfully used Nano on Adobe Firefly to create something unique. You can now download or share your creation. Keep exploring and experimenting with different prompts and models to see how Adobe Firefly can expand your creative horizons. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!